Hi everybody, so here we go. Today I'm gonna be using this Total Temptation by Maybelline, and it says Shadow Highlight Palette, and it comes with all these beautiful little shimmery colors. There's some matte in there too, but here's the shimmers and the highlighters in the center. I will be using this, so let's do this. I already primed my lids, and yes, I did my makeup already, but I decided to do this because I felt like it. I'm gonna start off with this one, and I'm gonna place it all over my lids. And here I'm using a Dome Shadow Brush by Real Technique. You can see it, but I brought up the color all the way up to my brow bone, like up here. I want that color to pop. Then I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with this darker shade here. And I'm gonna place that in the outer corner. And now I'm gonna go in with this darker shade, even darker shade. And I'm gonna place that one on my outer corner as well, just to give it more definition to the look. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is what we have so far. I did the same thing on the bottom of my lids. I brought out the colors, same thing, same concept, the darker shade on the outer and then the lighter shades on the center part of it. Let's see, so now I'm gonna put more mascara on my bottom lashes, just make sure they're like, you know, defined and noticeable. For blush, I did this pearlescent pink by Wet n Wild with my angled brush. I'll put it right here, and I'm gonna try this highlighter that comes with the palette, and I'm gonna do this one right here. Just get a nice brush. I'm gonna use this one, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of that. I'm gonna place it. Oh, it's cute. Let's try the other side. Oh, I love it. I even feel like putting that on my lid. And you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'll use this one. This is by MAC. It's the 239, I think it says. I don't know, it's faded. But I'm gonna get that one. Come. This is Lily. Lily, say hi, my little mermaids. Say hi. Hi. She's so funny. She always wants to be all up in the mix. It's pretty. I like the way it came out. I said I like the way it came out. I don't want to do any lashes. I want to keep my own. I'm just gonna put more color on my lashes. And let's see, for the lips, I brought it this old one, but I love this color. And this is the Liquid Catsuit Mega Last in color Berry Recognize. there it is. I think it looks good. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? There you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And everybody who has, thank you so much. And see you on the next video. Bye. Say bye.